Fun facts about dogs. Dogs have unique nose prints. Just like human fingerprints, a dog's nose print is unique and can be used to identify them. They can understand up to 250 words. Some dogs, like border collies, can understand and respond to around 250 words and gestures. Dogs can smell disease. A dog's sense of smell is so strong that they can detect certain diseases, including cancer, diabetes, and seizures, just by smelling changes in the human body. A dog's sense of smell is 40 times better than ours. Dogs have about 300 million scent receptors in their noses, compared to a human's 6 million, making their sense of smell incredibly sharp. They dream, just like humans. Dogs experience similar sleep cycles as humans, including REM, the stage where dreams occur.